Most welcome. So I welcome you all. Yeah. And it is 10 minutes more. I request our Anisa madam to give in detail about what the process and other methodologies selecting the
Good afternoon to one and all present here. Sir, I have to talk. I have to talk looking at this.
Oh.
So, today we are going to conduct the online lottery of Class 1 admissions 2020-21. So, before going on to the online lottery, we will be showing you the demo of the lottery, how we will be conducting the lottery first. First, the demo will be shown to you. First, let me share with you the dashboard of our Vidyalaya. So here you can see that totally we have received 117 applications. We have only 40 seats. So we have received 117 applications. Out of that, 42 are RTE, 25 SGC applicants are there, 2 KVS ward grandchild are there, 6 EWS and 1 differentially abled. These are according to the applications that they have given. So we will be verifying the documents once they are selected. And according to priority category, the application numbers are in priority category 1, we have got 21 applicants, 2, 10 applicants, in 3, 38, 4, category 4, 4 applicants, category 5, 42 applicants. And by caste and by gender also we are having general 55, OBC creamy layer 44, OBC non-creamy layer 45, SC 5 and ST 8. Totally we have out of 117, 59 are male and 58 are female applications. So this is just the application overview we have. Single girl child, sir. Single girl child is over and above. That is above 40. 2 seats for a class 1. Per section we will have.
How many ADC applied?
So 25. This can come. Yes. This SGC will be included in RT. They may come in RT also. Horizontally it is coming. Maybe in AWS also this SGC may come. So, but this we will be giving according to priority only, sir. Okay, so that is it. I hope this is clear to you now. Yes, let us go to the lottery demo then. Yes, so in lottery, first we will be doing RT lottery. So in lottery demo also, I will be showing you what will happen when we conduct the lottery. Okay. So when we click on, so this is a lottery. Actually, this one is a lottery that we will be conducting after 12:30. Now, just this is a demo. So we have some serial numbers, application submission code. This there your application's code and the name of the child. So this will be how it will be looking, and so you will be having this number, serial number. This is a pre-lottery number. What you see here, this serial number is a pre-lottery number. Okay, and in the dummy, this for demo there is around 200 applicants. Actually, we don't have that much applicants, but in the dummy it is there are 200 applicants. Okay, so you can see. I will export and show it to you. So this we can see that in the okay. So it is scanning. So it will we can export and see. ഇതേ സാധനം we can see here also in this pre-lottery in the downloads. Okay. Yes. So this we can see in the other one also in the original list that we are having. Okay. So just to show you that, so that is it. So once, so this there will be a button here, conduct lottery. So once we click that, what will happen? That lottery will be conducted. Only one time it can be done. We cannot do it more than one time. So this is how it will come. See, lottery demo list. This is a lottery demo list, pre-lottery list. Okay, not after. Before lottery, what is the serial number? So I'm just closing it. And now let me show you how to conduct. How I will be conducting the lottery. This is just a demo. So a message will come. This school confirms that demos of the lottery are being shown to parents to their satisfaction. The school and parents understand that the conduct lottery button will disappear after conducting the lottery once. Please click cancel if you want to abort this operation, else click OK. So the same message will come in the other lottery also. So see, now the lottery has been conducted and we are getting the serial number. So this was the this is a lottery number 1. So in the pre-lottery list, 6th serial number student has got first one. So in the RT list, this child will be the first one.
Earlier it was serially arranged. Now
See,
this,
I will show you this. See here, the 6th one, the 6th person has got the first lottery here when we conducted. Okay, so the same way our the original lottery will also be conducted. Similarly, we have a lottery demo for. Yes, sir.
The name was saved for 1 and 6 rider.
Yes, here, sir, in that 6th serial number was rider.
First serial was also rider in the.
That is the demo only they might know. The application code will be different. Yes. So similarly, we can conduct SGC lottery demo. So that also we can see every lottery will be there is serial number. So when we are conducting SGC or any other category demo, it will be based on the service category. See, category 1, number of transfers. So that is how it will be conducted. Okay, this by 2 application codes means these are twins. So twins, the application is considered as 1.
both will get admission.
Twin girls.
Same serial number.
Okay, serial this application submission code is different. They have a twin code that will be same for both. That's how the application is considered as 1. So here also when we conduct lottery.
Actually, it is not single.
But sir, the definition, yes, considers as single. The same process takes place here also. See, serial number 8 got the first lot, but that is based on the transfer. All the 4 transfers first it will be taken, then only 3 transfers will come under. So based on the priority only, category 1, after category 1 only we will get all are category 1. Then we can see category 2. Category 2, 4 transfers are sorted. Then category 3, likewise it will be there. So SGC.
Automatically.
Similarly, SC, ST, OBC, differentiable, everything. This is for SC, ST, OBC. So the application code, category 1, 4 transfers are there. Category 1, 3 transfers. So the serial order, they will be in this priority order. This service and transfer, that is the order. So here also when we conduct lottery, what will happen? First, this 4 transfers, they will be given priority. In that lottery will happen. Then in 3 lottery will happen. Then in transfer 2 lottery will happen. Then it will go to category 2, maximum transfers. Okay. So again I will show you this. Again, see, this is again category 1. In 4 transfers, the lottery number is complete. Yes. Sir, we will. So that is it. So that is a demo. I think you are clear with the demo. We'll go for the lottery. No. Yes or no? We got the time from 12:30 to 1:30. So I think we can go to the lottery. No. Okay, so let me go to the lottery. Yes.
Yes. Okay.
So first we will be conducting RT lottery. Okay. See, this is a pre-lottery list. Okay. This is a serial number, the application submission code, name. Madam, your child's name?
No, sir. Nothing. Don't ask anything.
Okay, sir. So you can check whether all your names are here or not. This. Okay. I'll show you the pre-lottery list now.
All children's name are there.
Yes.
That's all. Don't ask individual. It is as for application they are submitted to online. In online they are submitted.
It's taking little time because
Quickly,
yes,
but it
lot no, sir. Pre-order, pre-lottery list.
will be restricted. All of this step correctly.
See, this is the pre-lottery list. Okay, serial numbers, your application code, and name has come. Okay, so total we have 42 applications.
Show it as a round. Plus 40. 40.
I will show it to you here itself. Of the 42 applications are there. Clear? Okay. So we'll conduct the lottery now. Ready now? Yes. Okay. Yes. So this is the post RT list. Serial number 26 is have got the first one. Serial number 22 second. Serial number 16 3. Serial number 11 4. Serial number 24 5. Serial number 33 6. Serial number 18 is 7. Serial number 41 is 8 and serial number 12 is 9. Serial number 34 is 10. And from 11 it is waiting list because we have only 10 RT seats. Only 10 RT seats. So from 11, the lottery number 11, it is waiting list. Hope you all understood this. So that is it. So our RT lottery is over. Okay. Now let me download this RT lottery list.
Download and save, right? Save.
Let us do the other lotteries also then.
First it is sell. बोले तो slow but properly. Sell and buy.
Yes. This is.
Okay. Over.
Yes.
Check it. I mean, check it. Check it. That one? Check it. The list are there for one. Selected list.
Yes.
Yes.
It has come.
Next.
RP lottery list is there. Okay.
Yes.
So you can see that it is 42 number, up to 42 number it has come. In waiting list. Yes, next we have to do differently able SC lottery. So we don't have any applications. Okay. In differentially able SC category. ST also we are not having any applicants. ST number seats 0, but we don't have in this category. Next here OBC NCL, there is no applicants. Here there is in general OBC creamy layer category, there is one applicant. So this is single one, but still we have to conduct lottery. That is then how they have given us the instructions. So we just conduct it, that's all. That's it. One differentially able, that is as in general and OBC creamy layer.
Sell. This differential levels of 3% diagonally represented in 30 years in all categories. 3%.
So now we'll go to service category 1. Service category 1, please look at the list. Serial number is there. Service category 1 is having 5 transfer. 2 persons are having 4 transfers. So the lot will happen here. Similarly, there are 5 persons with 3 transfers. Again, the lot will happen in this category also. 2 transfers, only 1. 1 transfer, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 are there. So the lot will happen there also. 0 transfers are also there. So 21 service, first category is there. 21 applicants in first category. So we are going to conduct the lottery here. Yes, this 5 transfer will automatically come at the top. 4 transfer, this the second serial number came down, third serial number went up after the lottery. Similarly, here also in 3 transfers, 5 got the first priority in 3 transfers, then 4, then 7th serial number, then 8th serial number, and 6th serial number. Here again 2 transfer 1 person only, so there is no lot there. Again in 1 transfers, the 14th person got the first lot. So that is how it is. So 21, up to 21 we have got. 21st person is at the 21st position itself.
Everything you say No,
Yes.
transfer.
Yes. Next, category 2. In category 2, we have 10 applicants. Yes, 10 applicants. 3 transfer, 2 persons are there. 2 transfers, 2 are there. 1 transfer, 2 are there. And 0 transfer, 4 are there. So, in every category, there will be a lot. Yes. So, the second serial number got the first lot. First serial number, second one. Then, third one is got the third lot. So now this is from a waiting list. According to our vacancy only the waiting list has come. We have taken RTE, then differentially abled. So 11 seats are over there. Then we came to category 1. So 21 there. Here 3. But actually when we are giving admission, after RTE, we will be giving admission to our sponsoring agency quota since we are civil sector, sir. So from means state government, Kerala state government employees, priority based. Category 3, priority based only we will be giving the admission. That means the person who has got the most transfer, the most number of transfers will be getting the admission first. Same thing. So maybe this will change then when we give admissions. So these are the waiting list.
This week, from here, waiting list 1 to it will come sponsoring agency quota.
No, so this is category 2 only. No?
Category 2.
Maybe category.
Category 3.
First category 3 we will give admission. Maybe those person here also may go there then. Okay, now SC lottery. Next one is SC lottery. Yes, SC 5 persons have applied. Again, this is also on priority base. Category 1, category 2. So except RT, all the other categories we will do only admissions on the priority. First priority for category 1, then for category 2, then for category 3, then 4. So likewise only it is there. So in the same order, only here there will be a lot. Service category 5. Okay. So everyone is coming in waiting list because their SC, our SC, we have 6 SC seats and 3 ST seats. So after taking print, we can see that correctly which is those who are applied in SC may have come in the other one also. The RT they can come in category 1 they can come.
This is coming in RT,
Then yes, this will go. Yes. Then we
RTES quota is filled. This will go against. Like that ST quota is filled.
So the new change this year is that we have 27% reservation for OBC non-creamy layer. That means out of 40, we get 11 seats.
for the
First time. First time.
First time. 27%.
I think the site is getting slow. No. Okay, now we'll go to ST lottery. ST, we have totally 8 applicants.
We also over here.
Hmm.
Already applicants.
3. Here in category 3, we have 2 transfers, 3 applicants. Again, with 0 transfers, 2 applicants in category 3 and 1 in 5th category we are having.
Okay.
Sir, 1 may have gone there then in the RT.
That already selected.
So that SC6, they were not selected anywhere. Maybe all the NCL maybe have got into RT then. In RTE, SC, ST, OBC, non-creamy layer, and EWS or BPL. These persons. So we have a lot of OBC NCLs at this time. So maybe all the OBC NCL must have got into that. That's why they came into working this time. So one from here must have gone there. So conduct lottery. Again, they are coming in waiting list. So based on that, where to accommodate them, we will be accommodated.
Number of candidates more. So naturally they will be coming in waiting. Already that selected list, no? That is done.
Yes.
Three candidates.
One ST will get admission.
No, sir. 3.
Three.
That we will give. SC6 we have to give. Sorry, yes, ST3.
We have 8 ST applicants.
But we cannot give that. Sir, actually.
That's
No, no,
what I
my question is, we have 8 applicants from ST category. And here we got listed 7. Means one may be there.
One may be there already in RT. It might have.
So only one got priority RT list. Only 7 here.
From this first 2 will be getting the admission with ST.
Then why is in waiting is
Sir, why? Because we have taken it like this. No, category 1 we have taken first order. First when we did the lottery, first we did RT. So this was the order that was given from our headquarters. In this order we have to do. Then differentiable, then service category. So, but when we give the admission, we will be giving it only according to how they are getting filled.
one is that ST may be in the other list.
Yes, because this may come in the first list, means category 1, this category 1, 3 transfer. So they may get admission there.
In the case of RT, there may be ST and
Yes. In categories also, yes.
Also,
Yes.
there will be
Yes, many are there, sir. That's why we are having 42 RTs. Many service 1, category 1, category 3, many persons are there in RT. Now we'll go for OBC NCL lottery. Again, OBC NCL, this also will be in service category wise only. So number of transfer 3, so there won't be lot there. Here in transfers 1 will have the lot, and 0 transfer 3 are there will be lot. And here we will not have any lot for the service category 2, both the cases. Then service category 3, all are coming here. Again, this will go into category 3 also. When we do the other lot, it will again come there.
which will get priority.
Sir?
Which will get priority. Category 1 or this list.
Category 1 will get the priority, but here this category 3, most number of transfers will get sure admission. 5 seats will get admission in service category 3.
First category wise, then their number of transfer. So priority on category 1 to 3 lines, and then number of transfer. More transfer, more transfer.
So here 45 numbers are there in OBC NCL. Yes, this is the first time for OBC NCL.
Case like that, certificates of non-KPA should be issued within 3 years. Within 1117.
No, sir, because of this COVID pandemic only. If there is NCL, NCL certificate obtained in the name of the parent within 3 years, we can take that. For this year only.
Within 3 years.
Then
First one will be non-creamy layer, 3 years of non-creamy layer. And second things, the certificate issued within 3 years. And third things is in the name of parents now, if it is in the name of child is better. If it is in the parents' name, then we have to do undertaking with the system there.
to conduct lottery.
क्लियर कर लीजिए कोई डिस्कशन का लाइन में चले जाते हैं सेव जरूर करिए ना
Yes, yes. Yes. So this is the way again it has come into the waiting list because this service category you have as per our schedule previous lottery they are in the list. No, that's why they are already in the list. That's why. Okay, now we will go to category 3 lottery. Yes, category 3 again, this is based on the transfer. The order is based on the transfer. So here we will have 5 seats reserved for in priority ways. So this 6 transfer, 5 transfer, then 4 transfer, here there will be a lot, again 3 transfer. So these 5 seats will be sure based on number of verification of the number of transfers only. Okay, and then we will have been in the waiting list will have lot here for 2 transfers up to this. We are having this much 2 transfers, so there we will have a lot. Then one transfer and 0 transfers are there. So 38 applicants are there. So we'll go for the lottery now. Yes. So see the sixth number 6 is coming first itself. Number 5 second. Number 4 the same order only they came. Serial number there is no shuffling coming there. Fifth third. Now the shuffling is coming here from second 2 transfers. First 9 came, then 7th serial number, then 8, then 10, then 14. Like that it is coming. Anyway, the first 5 will get because we are in civil sector and sponsoring agency got.
Automatic.
That is because first category we already took. No, sir, that is why. The problem is now those are in the list in the first category will come down. Okay, next is category 4. Category 4 we have 4 applicants. So first one is 1 transfer and the other 3 are 0 transfer. So a lot will happen here only. So here we have got the list, shuffle the list we have got. Next category 5. Category 5 we have 42 applicants. Yes, 42 applicants. So all are private job only. So there won't be transfers there. So we are going to conduct the lottery here. So the waiting list is coming like this: category 5. 21st serial number is coming 1, 25, then 18 like this. We have waiting list to 91. In the order we have conducted the lotteries, that's how the waiting list is coming. But we'll be preparing separate list for each category, sir.
Yes.
They may be come in the RT, sir. Category 4. The last one is SGC lottery. Again, SGC lottery is also priority lottery only. So category 1 is there with 1 transfer to. So again, this category 1 transfer is coming, then category 2 has come, then in 3 we are getting waiting list. So these two are over and above. They will get an SGC code. So that is it. So that's only up to SGC. So normal admission means 42 seats we are having first standard. 40 plus 2. Plus the KVS ward and all is over and above, sir.
It's 2 in one section in class 1. And then again 6 onward, there may be 2. Over.
SGC.
LGC. But we don't have any admission now, other classes. That's it.
So our all lists have been downloaded. We will take the print.
Yeah. Take print out and then upload at 3 o'clock.
330.
3:30 upload.
Yes.
Check one by one. All the list has been downloaded.
Yes.
It's very good.
Yes.
One by one. Okay.
Yes.
Nothing, sir?
Yes, sir.
Okay, thank you.
Sir, at 3:30 only.
3:30 time. This list.
All the list will be done.
The
Yes.
selected list which are downloaded, that timing they have given already given. 3:30 they will start download. Huh?
Yes. Yes, sir.
You-
The
this
whatever
is-
list we have got from it, but we will be giving the admission only subjected to verification of all the original documents.
These are all subject to verification of documents. If suppose somebody has written 3 transfer, but actually 2 transfer are there. Huh? So that case, we have to put 3 transfer.
No, this person is not in this list now.
After, it will go to digit. It will get to digit. Daily people will approve it, then it will come finally.